Types of cleaning chemicals. But before that, let's have first activity number 1, entitled Brain Teasing Fun Game. This activity will give you an opportunity to review the past lesson. Directions. Arrange the jumbled letters below based on the guide questions. Then, write the correct answer on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. What is the simplest cleaner of all? Number 2. What is used to dissolve heavy grease and oil, which water-based cleaners cannot cope with? Number 3. What is the most common cleaning agent usually found in the kitchen? Number 4. What do you call under removal of food particles, dirt, grease, and any other residue that doesn't belong to the food contact surface? And number 5, where is the safest place to store occasionally used plates? So do you know the answer? Now, here is another activity which is called Think Up. Now, you're going to read the situation and then answer the guide questions that follows. So, the situation is this. Your mother asked you to clean the dirty oven using the cleaning agents she just bought from the supermarket. It was your first time to clean such equipment, and so, choosing the appropriate cleaning agent turned into a discovery, and preparing it was an experiment. Inside the grocery bag are citrus fruits, powdered and liquid detergents, bread, cooking oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and baking soda. Guide question number 1. What 2 things are you going to use in cleaning the oven? Number 2, what were you thinking while reading the situation? Number 3, how did you come up with your 2 choices? Now, let's move on to the types of cleaning chemicals. These are the main types you will come across. Detergents can penetrate moderately greasy and or dirty surfaces and suitable for cleaning floors and walls and similar routine tasks. Sanitizers are for clean as you go use but cannot substitute thorough washing with a detergent. Powder sanitizers, dissolved in hot water, require a final rinse and are not suitable for use on certain metals, while liquid sanitizers are diluted before use. They must be left to dry, not rinsed off. Sanitizer wipes are used for a quick and convenient way of cleaning food temperature, probes, and small utensils, and for wiping food preparation surfaces on a clean-as-you-go basis. Use only, then disregard. Hard surface cleaners are used for heavier or more specialized tasks, although they are corrosive and damage surfaces if not used with care. Solvents. Dissolved heavy grease and oil which water-based cleaners cannot cope with. Abrasives or scoring cleaners are mostly used for cleaning enamel and ceramic surfaces, including tiles. Abrasive powders are much coarser than liquids, creams, and paste, but all of them can damage surfaces. Water is the simplest cleaner of all. Applied under pressure, it cleans hard surfaces such as floors and walls, in delivery and waste disposal areas. Water also rinses out dirt removed from a surface by other cleaning agent. Soap is not suitable for cleaning equipment and surfaces because it leaves a scum. Disinfectants are added to some liquid soap for washing hands. Chemical disinfectants are not recommended for kitchen use as their effectiveness can be destroyed by wasted food materials, by the fabric of cleaning cloths, and by the materials of some surfaces. Bleach, for example, attacks cloths, some plastics and metal fittings. There is also a risk that the disinfectants will leave a strong smell or taste. Now, you already knew the different cleaning chemicals, their uses, and examples. So your activity, it should be by pair. You're going to answer by completing the table below. So column 1, the types of cleaning chemicals. Column 2, the examples. And the column 3, where to use. So the first one is done for you. Example, sanitizer. And examples of sanitizers are, or such as liquid sanitizer. And where to use this liquid sanitizer? For kitchen surfaces. Now, you do the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth types of cleaning chemicals such as chemical disinfectants, soap, solvents, water, and abrasive powders.